my beanie, and this is a right now it's a rectangle piece, and it is around 19 inches long, and now we will be joining both the ends together. So with the wrong side of the work facing you, so this you will start joining with by making slip stitches. So we will work in white yarn till this point, and then we will switch to the red. So this was my last half double crochet of my last row, and this was the chain that we made, and I will be going in both the first stitch of both the ends. So yarn over, pull up a loop, and pull through my the loop on my hook. So we will start with making the chain for our beanie, and this is the beanie that I am taking my measurements from. So in the next, we will first in the next. So we will be slip stitching on each stitch, and we'll continue till the end, but I'll show you once we need to change the color. So now I am on my last stitch in white, and I will pull through and I'll cut my yarn and fasten off the white portion, and now we will work in the similar manner and on the red, poked through both the loop on my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and chain one on this first stitch. And now again we will be making slip stitches to close the cap. So continue across till you reach to the end, and then I'll join back, and then we'll close the top of our beanie. So now I'm on my last stitch, and now I'll leave a long tail around 20 inches, which we will use to close the top of our beanie. And now with the help of a tapestry needle, you have to go in and out on each row end like so. All around. So continue around till you reach to the point where we started, and I'll join back and show you what we do next. So now I have reached to the beginning, and I'll simply pull this snug. Without breaking my yarn. So I'll be going in and out. A few times. And now I will leave a little tail and cut my yarn and tie these ends together. And now we will add our pom-pom, and before that do weave in your ends. I will do it later once we attach our pom-pom. So I have already made my pom-pom, and I will put a link in the description box below on how you can make a pom-pom with a pom-pom maker or a cardboard. So to attach the pom-pom, I will poke my hook from the inside towards on both sides from the center, so and pull the yarn towards the inside. And also on the other side of the center. And now I will tie a knot and cut my yarn. So now our beanie is ready. If you don't want to attach a pom-pom, that is perfectly all right. You just need to close the top of your hat. And now we will put in few cute snowflakes on our beanie. So let's get started with making our snowflakes. So let's start making this cute snowflake for our beanie. If you don't want to add snowflake, you can totally skip this part and your beanie is done. But I'm adding a snowflake, so let's start making one. And for this I'm using 4.5 mm hook and DK weight yarn, and I will make a slip knot and chain 3, and then I will make a slip stitch on the first chain and chain 1, and now I'll make a double crochet in the circle here, like so, chain 3 and make a single crochet from the second chain from the hook, chain 1 and double crochet back in the center, again we'll chain 3 and single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 1 and double crochet in the center again, like so. So you will repeat this total 6 times. So we have already done 2 times, and we'll repeat the same 4 more times. And now I've created my snowflake, and I will join my stitch on this first chain 1 and fasten off, leaving a tail which I will use to attach my snowflake to the beanie, like so. So if you want, you can just add 1. If you want, you can add more than 1. So now we are going to attach our snowflake to our beanie, and by mistake I haven't left much of my yarn, but I will still try to attach it. So I will just use a tapestry needle and go to the point of the star, and then to the next point here, and then again on the middle here, the next point, and then again to the next point of the star, and I have left with a very small tail, so I will go back inside and pull it through towards the inside. Adjust your snowflake a bit, and then I will use this yarn and I will come out of this point here, go back in here, and then to the next point, and then I will somehow put it back towards the inside, like so. I'll tie both the ends together, not too tight. And cut my extra yarn, like so. I will adjust this our snowflake a bit, like that. So here we are done with our Christmas beanie, and hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, please like and subscribe, and also hit that bell icon so that you're notified of my future tutorials. Thank you so much for coming by.